we just parked at the Salisbury Cathedral car park, ready to have a visit there. There's a bit walk over there. This is where we are going. We have a little version of the cathedral, but exactly it is a Salisbury bug cathedral. The name for bugs, I guess. And the real cathedral is here. Still we need to walk more. It's here, yes. Now we are in front of the cathedral. See how big it is. Yeah, sky is not looking good, but we'll see. I think entrance is over there, so let's head inside. There are some grounds in front of it. This is the whole ground, and this is where we came, and this is the entrance to the park for parking. And you can see up corner there's the city gate. It's like old gate kind of thing, so let's see if we can go there and watch it. Okay, we just parked for the world famous Stonehenge. Here's the car park. I think we need to walk down that side, probably about 1 mile we need to walk. There's a small train here, so we were thinking of having a cup of tea and then start our walk. It's a good sign. We just had some sunshine. I hope it will last for the day at least. But there are black clouds. Let's see what's they up to here. Yes, water is boiling. Yes, we have cupcakes. Okay, before the walk, let's have a cup of tea.
You want some cupcakes? Going to having a tea now. Making tea. I'm making tea. I'm gonna have some sweets, Sri Lankan sweets, and some cupcake.
Someone made me. I didn't realise they'd actually.
Okay, we just started our walk. We have some old small village. Let's see what is it. Okay, it looks like these houses maybe belongs to builders of the Stone Age, but still a mystery. So these are the houses. I tried, we can't go inside, but we can have a good look from outside and see them. Let's go. We can go inside one of them. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, it's dark. Can't see much. Nothing there. Okay, let's go. Okay, here's the way. We need to walk down around 1 mile, 1.2 mile. Since we haven't bought ticket, we have to walk. Otherwise, we can take one of those coaches that directly go to the Stonehenge. Anyway, we'll have a nice walk from here. We are a bit closer now. We can see the Stonehenge stones. We can see. We are taking the footpath here. You're not going to closer, just going round from this public footpath. Here is the closest we can go, but we can have a good look even from the distance. We are now coming back from the walk. You can see our campervan over there. It's the biggest vehicle as I see now. Bit tired, so maybe we can prepare something to eat and have lunch here, and then leave for our next destination. I have a nice smell. What is this?
This is bacon and salami. We are going to make burgers today.
Burgers, okay. You can see here these are the stuff for mobile kitchen. What's that?
Some burgers.
We have burger buns here. Right. Let's see how it's done. Until they make the lunch, let me take you through the stuff I can show you from outside of our van. So let's start from the front. So as usual, here this is the main door entrance, so we can open like this. Still
And
cooking.
we are making burgers.
Oh, okay. Still cooking, so close it. And we are going to here. So here's, there are two windows here, both, oh, three, one over up there as well. We can open it, and this is where we take the gas. And we have two tanks here. It's more than enough for our trip. Okay, and this is the big storage area at the back. It's plenty of room here, and if you can see on top of that green color, it's the hose for fill the water, and this is to connect the power from external. So I just put it there after today morning. As you see, we have a lot of space there. and in the back we have this stand to hook up our bicycles if we have, and we have the reverse camera up there. And if we come to this side, here we have this is the toilet cassette, so when maybe like once a day we need to take it out and empty and put it back. Okay, how to put it back? Let me connect back. Okay, sorry about that. So that's for the toilet cassettes. Here we have inlet for the fresh water. We need to put the hose here and we can fill our fresh water tank. And down here we have the hookup for the electric input, and there are two taps so we can empty our grey water tank here. Yeah, that's for the diesel. That's pretty much it for outside tour. Once we clean inside, maybe this video, next video will take you to for inside tour. Okay, it looks like our first burger is ready. Let's see it. The first burger, let me have it with cheese, tomato, lettuce, bacon. We'll see. Yeah, nice.
Water.
Little man needs water. He's here.
100.
Okay, we just parked in Bath. Now we are going to see the Royal Crescent. Need to walk a bit. We'll see how it's look like. Well, this is the Royal Crescent in Bath. Look at the shape, it's like a crescent. Wow, it's too beautiful. And of course there's a garden here, playground, we can play here. Look at this. Royal Crescent. We have arrived our campervan site and just started our dinner. It's roti.
Egg, vegetable,
Eggs, vegetable,
coconut.
roti. We are done with cooking. Now let's see how is it. What are we having today?
This is something like a Sri Lankan chili paste
Yes.
with coconut roti. We're gonna check how it tastes like.
Eggplant, modu.
It's like, it's very spicy, but it's really good.
Good. Okay. Let's all dig in.